Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can elevate your cooking game, the Benriner Mandoline Jumbo Slicer with a Japanese steel blade. We found this incredible product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes the Benriner Jumbo Mandoline Slicer a must-have tool in your kitchen. This slicer is designed to create wide, uniform slices that ensure your ingredients cook evenly. If you've ever struggled with getting the perfect thickness when slicing vegetables or fruits, you know how important this feature can be. One of the standout aspects of this slicer is its handcrafted Japanese stainless steel blade, which is renowned for its sharpness and durability. The body is made from BPA-free plastic, making it a safe choice for food preparation. With dimensions of 13 by 6.5 inches and a 5-inch wide slicing surface, this mandolin is capable of handling larger produce with ease. The wide straight-edge blade is specifically designed for cutting larger items, such as cabbage, melons, and other substantial fruits and vegetables. You'll appreciate the large open handle, which provides comfort during use, and the non-skid rubber base ensures stability, giving you peace of mind as you slice away in the kitchen. Safety is also a top priority with the Benriner Mandoline. It comes with a safety guard that securely holds smaller pieces of produce while protecting your fingers from the sharp blade. This guard even has hooks to attach to bowls, allowing you to collect your freshly sliced ingredients without any mess. Another feature that you'll find incredibly useful is the easy turn dial that adjusts the thickness of your slices from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. Whether you want paper-thin slices for salads or thicker cuts for stir-fries, this slicer can accommodate your needs effortlessly. So, who is this product suitable for? The Benriner Jumbo Mandoline Slicer is perfect for home cooks, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. It's particularly beneficial for those who love to experiment with stir-fries, casseroles, and vegetarian recipes that require a variety of vegetable preparations. If you often find yourself cooking large meals or entertaining guests, this slicer will save you time and ensure your food looks as good as it tastes. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine preparing a colorful stir-fry with perfectly sliced bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots. Or, think about the convenience of quickly slicing potatoes for a gratin or making uniform slices of cabbage for coleslaw. The versatility of this mandolin opens up a world of possibilities in your kitchen. Cleaning is another aspect that adds to its appeal. The Benriner Mandoline disassembles easily for quick cleaning, and it's top-rack dishwasher safe, making it convenient for busy cooks who don't want to spend too much time on cleanup. In summary, the Benriner Mandoline Jumbo Slicer is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their culinary skills. With its efficient design, safety features, and versatility, it's sure to become a favorite in your kitchen arsenal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.